Would you like to know if your trust is broken? How would you even know if it's broken? By attending my free webinar, I'm going to show you how to identify the different factors within your trust documents so that you can have peace of mind knowing that you have the correct documents in place. Hi, I'm attorney Gary Thales. Many people are surprised to find out that their trust can become outdated. Well, a trust is a lot like a pair of prescription glasses. At first, the prescription is just right, but over time it becomes outdated. Now, how do trusts become outdated? Well, in 4 different ways. First, they become outdated because of changes in the law. Well, when the law changes, your trust does not automatically adjust. So you need to amend it and get it fixed. Number 2, you may change. You may have the wrong people listed. Maybe 10 years ago, the person who's going to take care of you while you're sick was the right person, but maybe now you're divorced, or maybe there's a falling out. Maybe the wrong person is in charge of you. Number 3, the banks and the institutions, for example, the recorder's office, they change their policies and procedures, the funeral homes, the crematories. So we want to make sure that your current trust is conforming with not just the laws, but also society. And finally, number 4, because these 3 items here are changing, the law firm and what we advise is also going to change. For example, did you know in Nevada that the financial powers of attorney have drastically changed over the years? You may be running around with the wrong version or the outdated version. This is a vital document because it determines who's going to be in charge of your finances. That same holds true for the healthcare power of attorney. Those documents have changed just recently, and we want to make sure that you have the right version. I can show you how to identify whether or not you have an outdated version. In the state of Nevada, there was a scandal in the guardianship court, and the guardianship court is the court in charge of you if you lose your mind. We want to make sure that we cement in the names of the people you've chosen to be in charge of you and not some outside financial company the court chooses. And we're also going to talk about how to protect the inheritance in case your child has a lawsuit or a bankruptcy or, most importantly, a divorce. If they have a divorce, they could end up losing all of the inheritance to the divorcing spouse. I'll show you how that happens. So this webinar is about 1 hour. It's going to be interactive. I'm going to hopefully answer your questions as we go. I'm going to teach you how we can go through your documents and learn how to update them. Now, most importantly, we're going to have some giveaways, some goodies. The biggest of all is that I'm offering a free consultation to those who attend the webinar. Now, why do I wait until you've attended the webinar? Because I want to have you educated and you'll be much easier and smooth to work with. So please attend the webinar and then we can offer the free consultation and some other goodies to go along with it. You can click on the registration link below. Thank you.